Your household could be throwing away 200 gallons of usable water every day. That's 73,000 gallons every year. No, it's not because you're leaving the tap on too long. It's because you can actually repurpose much of what goes down the drain. Think about it. Is it necessary to flush your toilet with drinkable water? Do plants need water as clean as you do? The answer is no. Wastewater that does not contain significant amounts of fecal matter or other hazardous materials, like that from sinks, showers, dishwashers, and washing machines, is much easier to treat and reuse. If this water were to be mixed with discharge from toilets, it would be considered black water, or sewage. When kept separate, however, it is known as gray water. Wastewater from kitchen sinks, dishwashers, and some washing machine loads is sometimes referred to as dark gray water because it contains more impurities. Either way, because gray water contains much fewer pathogens than black water, which needs to be processed at a sewage treatment plant, gray water can be treated and reused directly on the premises on which it was created. Using biological systems like constructed wetlands and membrane filters, or mechanical systems like sand filters, lava filters, and UV treatment systems, gray water can be treated on site and then either used immediately, for example in landscape watering, or stored for later use, such as when a toilet is next flushed. While gray water can be stored, because it is only treated on a basic level, it needs to be used quickly or the organic matter it contains, like food matter from kitchen sinks or skin cells in shower water, will begin to putrefy, and water quality will rapidly drop. There is a multitude of benefits for the use of gray water, including less strain on septic infrastructure, reduced freshwater extraction, reduced energy use and pollutant generation from sewage treatment, nutrient reclamation, and groundwater recharge. The cost of installing a gray water system varies widely depending on its intended scale, complexity, and level of treatment. A low-level treatment system can be in the range of $4,000, while a Class A treatment system, which means that it will produce gray water considered safe for watering food crops, can run for $15,000. However, smaller-scale systems that work on an isolated part of a site's water system can be much cheaper. A laundry-to-landscape system, which diverts water from a source, such as a washing machine, to a mulch basin outside, can be installed as a DIY project for $100 or installed professionally for $500. A slightly more sophisticated branched drain system can be made DIY for $250 or professionally for $2,000. This system allows the owner to choose whether to send water from a source outside or into a sewage treatment system. This can be useful for a washing machine if some load discharges are safe to release outside, while others, like those that had diapers in them or were treated with bleach, are not. If implemented site-wide, some sophisticated gray water systems can reduce water usage by 80%, although a more reasonable range is 30% to 50%. Cutting your water usage by a certain percentage will cut your water expenses by the same percentage, so a gray water system will reduce your bill. However, in comparison to the cost of installing a gray water system, the cost of water is low, so it may be many years, if at all, before the system pays for itself. However, a more important reason to install a gray water system is the environmental incentive. 40 out of 50 U.S. state water managers expect water shortages in the next 10 years. And, on a more global scale, the UN predicts that by 2025, a third of the world population will face water shortages. By reducing our water usage, we can help avoid this future, remembering that one step towards going green is going gray.